welcome to today's class. In our tutorial today, we'll be looking at coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is an aspect of geometry that deals with points and the lines joining them. We will start with location of point. How can a point be located when we are having its coordinate? Now let's see location of point. Location of point. Location of point. A point can be located when you are having a coordinate. For example, if you have x, y, this is what we call a coordinate, which can also be written as P of x, y. This is called a coordinate, and point P is the one representing the point, where x, y representing a coordinate. So it is always given in the form P of 3 and 4. This means that s equals 3, y equals 4. The number that comes first in the coordinate represents s, while the one that follows it represents y. In locating a point, every point can be located in xy plane. Xy plane. That's what we have in geometry. Take for example, if you have a line represented in the figure, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, then we are now having, we want to locate point x, y, which is point 3 and 4. We want to locate point P in this line segment. Let's pick our point S here, then our point Y to be here. From here we have that S equals 3, Y equals 4. So by the time we plot this against each other, we have something like this. So which means that this point stands for point P, which is 3 and 4. Point P has coordinates 3 and 4. This is how points can be located. The point A, x1, y1, and point B, which is x2, y2. Let's see how these 2 points can be located. x1, y1 and x2, y2 represent the coordinates. Then if you want to locate this point, we have our y-axis, we also have our x-axis. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. Then here we have x1, this is x1, this is x2. Then on this line we have y1, here we have y2. Now we are plotting x1 against x2. How it is against y2 against. Now we want to see when we are having 2 points, say point A, x1, y1, and point B, say x2, y2. Then we want to locate these 2 points. When you're having this line, this is y-axis, then this is x-axis. X, we have x here, we have our y here. This is x1, this is x2. Then here we have y1, we have y2 here. So if you are locating these points, we have it y1 against x1. We also have y2 against x2. This is point A, which is x1, y1. Then this is point B, which is x2, y2. So we are plotting this against each other. So to locate this point is for us to just join points A and B. So this is how to locate points in a line segment. It's just to plot the coordinates against each other. When x is 1, when x is x1, then y will be y1. That is, y equals y1, s equals x1. When x is x1, y is y1. This is how to locate points when you are given a coordinate. For example, if m and point n, for example, if point m has coordinates 2, 5, and n has coordinates maybe 4, 9. We want to locate points m and point n. Here, x1 equals 2, x2 equals 4, y1 equals 5, and y2 equals 9. So for us to locate the point, we have to have the two axes, y-axis and x-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Then locating this point, when x1, this is our x1, is equal to 2, y1 is 5. When x2 equals 4, y2 equals 9. So this is how we plot the points against each other. So this one, when it is 5, this is 2. When this is 9, this is 4. So which means that this is point N that has coordinates 2, 5, and this is point N that has coordinates 4 and 9. So we can join the 2 points together by locating the 2 points. So this is how we can locate points on x and y plane under coordinate geometry. In our next class, we'll be looking at midpoint of line segment. Make sure you don't miss the next class. See you in the next video.